Alrighty, before we look at our featured stock pick, which is going to be AMD, by the way, and I want to look at DEC and ARNA as well. Let's take a quick peek at the SPY. SPY looks like it might open up a little less, 146.64, um, which that's no big deal. I really don't care where it opens up as long uh, as so I guess I do care as long as it opens up and stays above the T line. That's all I care about. The T line is trending up, and as long as it stays in this area here and just climb that line slow as it wants, I'm going to be happy with that. If you look at the line chart, you can see the line chart. We're still trending up. In fact, we can actually pull back just a little bit and then move back up. If we pull back this far, if the 2 EMA pulls back, then what's going to happen is price action will probably peak below the T line down here. So we'll have to watch this if this starts to happen. But right now, I'm still quite bullish in the market, and I still like what the market is doing. Okay, let's take a look at our featured stock pick, AMD. AMD is one of our rounded bottom breakouts. It simply rallied up, pulling back with a little bit of consolidation. I really like the way this hammer formed in here, and then we've just moved sideways. Yesterday the bears had a real chance of knocking this down and closing us to the downside, but they didn't do that. The bulls stepped in and held it up well. So I'm looking at adding to my AMD on any kind of a breakout here. I did add to it yesterday near the close. But AMD is our featured stock pick for the PBO buyers. We're looking at a buy inside that box below yesterday's high, above the T line, something in there, and then breakout buyers. You buy on the breakout of yesterday's candle, right in there. Okay, I want to take a look at ARNA. Yesterday I wrote on the morning note that ARNA looks like it may give us another 15-20% move, and it clicked off 6% yesterday, so it nicked that a little bit. I still think it has some room to the upside. I do think ARNA is likely to give us a little consolidation at some point. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. But I still think it moves up. The further we get away from the T line, then the probabilities become greater of a little bit of a pullback right here. So we want to be cautious for those that have it, but I do still think it moves higher, so we want to definitely be trading it. I'm still looking for another, let's see, what did I say, 15, 20, where we took 6% yesterday. So another 10, 12, 14%, something like that, to the upside on ANRA. That's going to put us, up into this area right up in here. Let's see here. There's 14%, right about that area. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that down. That'll be a good target right there. Let's see about that 1190 area. Just keep in mind it may give a little consolidation here, right here. Another one is Deckers. This has been a favorite here the last month or so, and yesterday this was our featured stock pick, and it gave us another 7%. I say another because most of us were in it down here, so it's just adding to our profits is what it's doing. I still think it's headed to the 200-day simple. I do think that the likelihood of some profit taking is probably pretty good. It usually is. After 3 or 4 days to the upside, you see a little consolidation, but that doesn't change the fact that the 200 is still the target right there. So I think DEC is still a very nice chart. So that's DEC, ANRA, and ADM. I think are nice charts. They've paid us well so far. AMD, I'm actually green on that. Buying that just slightly green. Added to it yesterday near the close. Alrighty, I'm going to grab another cup of coffee. Come back. We'll get this market open, and see if we can put another dollar in the pot today. Thank you very much.